Hey all you babes, it's Lauren again and I'm back here at the Lumina studio, of course. And today we're going to be doing a look from the Moon palette, which is a fun blue purpley palette, which you guys are gonna absolutely love. So here is the artwork for the back of the palette. Again, it's called the Moon. So when you think of the moon, you think of like icy, cold, cool colors. That's what I think of. And that's exactly what you get out of this palette right here. So you have some great browns and blues and purples, which are so pretty. So we're gonna be playing with the purple, brown, and darker blue today. I come up with a really cool look. I haven't tried it yet, so this will be my first go around. So we'll be kind of doing this for the first time together. But if you guys have any questions about this look, please feel free to comment below. I'll be answering any and all questions for you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyes and then we'll get started. All right guys, so I got my eyes primed and we are good to go. So the first thing I wanna do is I want to put a crease color in our crease. So we're going to go ahead and dip into the color in Power, which is this pretty brown color right here. And the brush that we're gonna be using is a blending brush, something like this right here. Just something soft and fluffy, but still firm, so that way it fits right into your crease area and gets right where we want it in that socket. So go ahead and dip into the palette, tap off any excess, and you're gonna tuck this right into the inner corner right here and start working that into your crease area. Okay, and just back and forth windshield wiper motions, little circular motions to get that worked in there. There we go. And go ahead and do the other side. And right in that outer crease area. Okay, so now we have our color placed. This isn't how it's gonna stay. So I wanna go ahead and pick up a clean blending brush, something like this one here. Do not pick up any color. We're just gonna start blending this up and over. We wanna knock out any of those harsh lines and make everything very smooth and pretty and gradient. Darker colors being in the inner crease area, and then it gets lighter as you go up. And I'm just doing little circular motions to get that color really nicely blended. Okay, let's go ahead and do the other side. Okay, so our eyes are looking somewhat like this right now. We put our Empower color through the crease and started buffing it up. Or not buffing, we've started blending it up so that way it gradiates into from a darker color to a lighter color. So go ahead and with the blending brush that we just used to blend out that Empower brown color, dip into your Empower color and just run this back through the crease area so that way we can deepen the crease and make it just a little bit darker. These palettes, okay, so let's talk about these eyeshadows. They are super pigmented, hence the name high pigmented eyeshadows. But they truly are, they really are. The color is just so true and so pretty, and it just glides onto your eyes effortlessly. I love it. Next, let's go ahead and run, oopsie. Let's go ahead and run our Empower brown color, which was the brown right here again. And your pencil brush, something like this. Dip into that Empower color and just run this all along your lash line as close as possible. And same for the other side. Okay, so our next color is going to be our lid color. I have really been debating on if I wanted to go blue or if I wanted to go purple. So since I have green eyes, I'm going to go ahead and go with the purple. And the purple is really, really gonna make our eyes pop and nice and vibrant. So the color that I'm choosing, the color that I'll be going in with is called Dream, because it's like a dream. Look at that purple. Oh, it's so gorgeous. It's such a nice metallic purple. So now let's go ahead and dip into that dream color. And we're gonna pop this all over our lid area. Not going over that brown, and just keeping it tucked nicely onto the lid area. Like that. And go ahead and do the other side. Ooh, look at that, that's so pretty. Oh my God, I love it. Oh my God, I love it. I love it, love it, love it. You guys are going to die over this color. Oh my God, it's gorgeous. All right, so I went ahead and picked up my blending brush, same one that I was using earlier for our Empower color. Pick up some of that Empower brown, and we're gonna run this through our crease area again, just over that purple to make sure everything is nice and blended. Ooh, my God, this is probably my new favorite look. I probably say that in every single video, but it truly, like, these palettes are just so good. Oh my God, I love them. They are definitely the newest, but most favorite addition to my makeup kit. And I've got a lot of stuff in there, so that's saying something. Go ahead, pick up a definer brush, something like this, or an angled flat brush will work just the same. Dip into the lunar color, which is this pretty darker blue right there. And we're gonna tuck this in our lash line just like we were gonna do with that other color, but I just went ahead and diverted different color to different color. I like it. Ooh, it's raining hard right now. Okay, go ahead and dip into that lunar color again with that flat defining brush, and same thing for this side. Go ahead and grab your pencil brush, same one that we used for the Empower earlier. Dip into the Empower brown, and let's just run this underneath that lunar color just to make sure that it's nicely blended. It's thundering, can you hear it? It's so loud. Okay, our next and final step is going to be our tear duct area. So we're just gonna pop in just a little bit of a shimmer color in here. It's not gonna be like a highlight color, but it's just gonna be just a touch of shimmer. So go ahead and grab your pencil brush, same one that we were using earlier, I just cleaned it off a little bit. And I want you to dip into this, I believe it's Celestial, which is this shimmery brownish, bronzy color right there. Just a little bit, just a little bit. And we're just going to tap it onto our inner corner here. I don't want it to be too overpowering. I just want it to be just a touch of color. Clean your brush off and then just start kind of spreading it around. And that's pretty much it for this look. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyeliner really quick and my lashes, mascara, and I'll be back. This is it. This is our final look, guys. I love it. Whoa. I love it. I think it's great. The purples are definitely, they are just speaking life into my green eyes. They are so, the color is just gorgeous. If I had to choose a favorite palette, I couldn't because they're all so great. I am in love with every single palette that I have tried, which is so rare. That never ever happens, guys. So this is the look. I hope you guys like it. I love it. All I did on my lips was just a purple undertone, like berry color. I just grabbed something that I had close. I don't even know what brand it was or who makes it. But it's just like a nice berry undertone color, something not too purpley, but just enough in the purple family to just kind of tie everything in together. And then on my cheeks, I just did a nice natural peachy undertone color for my cheeks just to kind of brighten in the area and give me some color throughout this area here. So if you guys have any questions about this look, please feel free to comment below. You know I'm here to help you guys. So any questions that you have, I would love to give you an answer. So please get in contact with us. Let me know if there's something you need help with. I am here to make your makeup life easier. So until next time, I will catch you in the next video and have a great weekend. Bye.